All right, next up we have Kevin and Margot.
Alright, hi, I'm Margot and this is Kevin. We're redesigning Back Bay. So this is a center block we were given to work with, and we were supposed to sort of like complement this design and our design. So here's my design. I like the idea of a tree focal point and then like water incorporated things on the side. But I actually preferred like having smaller sides and a larger center sort of square area rather than having two like larger sides and a smaller center area.
Well, this is a picture of my design. As you can see, this is a broad pathway in the middle connecting my square to the streets and the central square over here. And also on the sides there are street pathways on each side leading towards the focal points for the middle, which are fountains. And also there's a main focal point, a big fountain in the middle, and place and vegetation for people to like rest or relax, and also two small ones on the sides.
Alright, so here are our inspiration and like sort of ideas, and we really like this sort of broad street and then like bushes to sort of as a sort of buffer between the cars and the people. So we like the idea of using vegetation along our sort of walks, and we also like the idea of being able to see all the way down like our blocks. So we like the idea how like here you can see all the way as far as like the human eye can see. And then here's an image of Kevin's design looking down and how you can sort of see all of his fountains and then the main focal point in the center block. And then here's mine, just a sort of different view showing like both tree center points, focal points.
Next up is variety and order. We combine these two chapters to make our design seem more appealing and attractive. In this picture, there's a line of houses that are taken in Boston. As you can see, all these houses have the same shape but different colors of painting. This is because that it can help to prevent the feeling of boredom when we're walking past these houses, but also make them to seem organized. Like as you can see in our design, all street blocks have three focal points, one main one in the middle and two small ones on the sides. And also, this is a picture of Margot's design. As you can see, in the middle there's a big tree and a fountain which acts like the main focal point, and two on each side, so the smallest one on each side. But also by contrasting these three blocks, we can also find that there are varieties. For example, in my design, the main focal point and the space is circular, while in the central block it's more of a rectangular shape. And we also have three pathways leading towards the middle, while Margot has two on each side.
Alright, and then we have a sort of public versus private. So people like this sense of privacy, but also like it's always nice to have people around other people. So like we had the idea of creating like these pathways along our designs. And so basically I like the idea of the buildings shaping the space, but also leaving enough room for like human interaction. And then here's another shot of like Kevin's design. And then we also have benches along, and then trees sort of acting like buffers between benches. But also it's not like you can't see people, it's just like a little bit of a privacy.
Next we have boulevards and alleys. In our design we also have boulevards and more pathways combined in our square. Like this is a picture also taken in Boston. This picture inspired us to combine these pathways and boulevards together in one square. Like in this picture, as you can see, this is taken from Margot's design in the entrance. When it leads inside, this is a boulevard in the middle, and these are pathways leading outside towards here. This boulevard goes in, past these two focal points, one main, one on the side. And you can also see the main focal point of the central block over here. one is a picture of my side panel, taken from the side. And these towards one of my small focal points on the side.
And then our final product is just the animation of it. Alright, and then thank you for